Hold on. We got something to make this a little more Cajun. Good old crab dip. Just like Mama used to make it.
My God, what did you eat? Alright, so what do we got here? Looks like we got ourselves a bowl of shrimp. Chop that all up. Chop it up good and proper. Looks chopped, guys. Okay, put that in the bowl. Now what's next? Oh, looks like we're going to do the crab meat. That looks like a big bag of crab meat. Alright, put it all on the cutting board. Chop it all up. Here we go. That's round one. Chop up the rest of the crab meat. Chop it all up. Alright, put that all in the bowl. What's next, guys? Oh, looks like an onion. Half an onion? No, only a couple slices. Chop that up into the bowl. Alright, next we add the mayonnaise. 1 scoop, 2 scoops, 3 scoops. Mix that all up. Yep, a little dry. More mayonnaise. And mix that all up. Nope, still dry. More mayonnaise. More mayonnaise. More mayonnaise. More mayonnaise. Alright, let's mix that all up. Alright, now some Old Bay, garlic powder, some Tony Thatcher. That's good for the old Cajun recipe. Mix that all up. Now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of yellow mustard. Looks good. Mix that up. About a tablespoon of teriyaki sauce. Mix that up. Tablespoon of barbecue sauce. And a couple tablespoons. Mix that up. Put this on a tray. We're going to put this into the oven for about 20 minutes at about 350 degrees. Just to bring the flavor out. Into the oven. And there you go, folks. Put it on the biscuit. Oh, yeah.
Now try it. Now what you think?
Definitely add some kick to the punch. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I've enjoyed making it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that, cook it yourself. Homestead kitchen living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. And always remember to thank our Creator, from whom all blessings flow. To God be the glory.